There is a set of pictures on the left with one missing picture shown by a question mark. Pick one of the pictures on the right to complete the set. Mark your answer on the answer sheet by choosing one of the options A to F. 14. We're going to look at all of the squares we're given in order to establish a rule or a pattern. Then we can choose one of the 6 answer options to fill the missing square here. Here we should look vertically down each of the columns and see that something is happening. In the first square in the first column we have these 2 grey squares. In the second square in this column we have a darker grey square and another grey square. In the third and final square we have 4 squares shaded all together. You may notice something. Look again at the first square where we have this square and this square shaded. Their position is present in the final square. Then in the middle square we have this square and this square shaded, and they are present in the final square too. So we could say that the top square added to the middle square gives us the formation of the third square. Now let's look at the middle column. Once again you can see that the pattern is formed by adding together the top square and the middle square in order to give us the formation in the bottom square. We can apply this same rule to the final column here. We know that what's in this square added to what's in this square will give us the final formation here. First of all, let's consider what's in the middle square. We have this L shape made up of these 3 squares, and you can see that they are present here, like this. It means that what's missing from this square here will be everything which is left. 2 squares here and here, one in the top right-hand corner and one in the bottom left-hand corner shaded a darker grey. We can now eliminate answer options. A does not have 4 shaded squares. B does have 4 squares shaded, but the top square here should be shaded a lighter grey and it's shaded a darker grey, so B is incorrect as well. C has the 4 squares, but again the shading is incorrect. This one is dark grey and it should be light grey. D has 5 squares shaded, not the 4 we're looking for. F has 4 squares shaded, but we need a dark one to be here. This is present in E. E has the 2 lighter squares here, like this, the lighter square here, like this, and the darker square in the bottom right-hand corner, like this. And if we add the formation of E to the formation of the middle square here, we would get the final formation, completing the pattern, and this means that E must be the correct answer. And you can show this answer of E on your answer paper like this.